I went shopping in St. Louis as someone who cooks a ton of international food. I live in a rural town where I can't always find the ingredients that I need. So I got in my car and drove about an hour and 20 minutes north. I usually have good luck at Jay's International Foods. Come along and I'll show you everything that I bought. They have a large variety of foods and their pricing is actually pretty good. Here is everything that I bought. Pois Congo, Ayisyen, Meleton, Joumon, Kalalou, Cresson, Épinard, banane, cocoyer, patate, papaye, pois choux, anso, gan cabrit, jimix mango, et puis papita à citron. The total came out to $79.26, which isn't too bad for everything that we got. Of course, while I was in the area, I had to head over to My Merry Restaurant, a Haitian food restaurant, the only one in St. Louis that has a delicious menu and super nice staff. Their menu has many choices, but what I like best is not on the menu, so be sure to ask if they have it. It is a Lalo with dirijonjon, banan peze, and pickles. This is my absolute favorite Haitian dish, and something that is hard to make here because finding Lalo leaves and jonjon is not easy. The portions are huge, so we always leave with a ton of leftovers and enjoy it for days. On the way home, we passed by a Papa John's. This is my husband's absolute favorite pizza place, and we don't have it in our town, so we had to stop and grab a pizza. I ran over to use the restroom, this little European food store, and felt bad not buying anything, so I grabbed this Briskev peach iced tea drink, and I was surprised that it's actually really good. It tastes similar to Breeze that I've had in Haiti. The sun was setting as I went home, and this is what we bought for the day. What are some of your favorite food ingredients that are hard to find in your area?